Hi dears, good morning one and all. Hope you all are fine and doing well. So, what we stopped last class? Yeah, that we studied division of integers. Before that we studied multiplication of integers, then division of integers. Then we said that our next topic is simplification of numerical expression. Before that, I want to ask you one thing. What do you mean by this numerical expression? That is, numerical expressions are the expressions which including the numbers with all operations like multiplication, division, subtraction, addition, like that. Okay, there will be an operation between the numbers. Okay, so in your textbook itself, there is a expressions they given, that is 36 divided by 3 plus 4 into 3 minus 4. Okay, so I said that numerical expressions are the numbers which including the operations like division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, like that. Okay, so now you get what is numerical expression. We can write another numerical expression, that is 1 plus 2 into 3 divided by 4. Is this a numerical expression? Yeah, because these are the numbers and there are certain operations in between that numbers. So, if there is an operation between the numbers, we can call that as numerical expression. Okay, so in your higher class you may be studying algebraic expressions. Okay, so algebraic expression means that is not only the numerals, that is numbers or other variables will be there. Okay, so you can study that in that time. Now numerical expressions are the expressions which including the numbers and this operating with the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like that. In your textbook, see this picture. That is 36 divided by, here this expression, that is 36 divided by 3 plus 4 into 3 minus 4. This is a numerical expression. We can find the value, that is total. If this operations we want to write, what will be the answer? Here in your textbook itself, see this picture, that is a lot of methods they have described. That is for first step, that is 36 divided by 3 plus 4 into 3 minus 4. First step, that is in sub question, that is first mark, that is first question they are given 36 divided by 3, that is 12 they are given. Okay, to that remaining all we have done. Like that, the second question, instead of 36 divided by 3, they have done that 3 plus 4 which is equal to 7. So 36 is divided with 7. In next question, they given 36 divided by 3, that we know 12. Then 4 into 3 minus 4. Like that, a lot of different ways are there to solve. If what at all the ways are there, if we are doing in that way, we won't get the proper answer. Why? Because there is a certain rule for this. Okay, so the rule is that while a numerical expression is there, we want to bother about one thing, that from left to right, from left to the right of the numerical expression, there should be an order that first we want to do the division. Okay, first we want to do the division in that numerical expression. Next thing we want to do the multiplication. Okay, multiplication in that we want to do the next. Next is addition. After doing that too, we want to do the addition. After the addition, what we want to do? We want to do subtraction. So one thing it is clear that if a numerical expression is there, division is there, we want to do the division first. Then after doing the division, we want to do the multiplication. After doing the multiplication, we want to do addition. After the addition, we want to do subtraction. Okay, now I want to ask one thing. If in an algebraic expression, here no addition is there. If here it is minus, first we done division, then we done multiplication, then addition is not there. Then can we stop that there? No, because if addition is not there, no problem. We can do that remaining Okay, so here this question plus itself, we can solve this. Before that, one thing, division we want to do first. Next we want to do multiplication. Next we want to do addition. Next we want to do subtraction. So we can call this as DMAS. That is the rule of DMAS. And another thing, in your coming questions, that is in your future, while you are doing in a numerical expression, they won't tell us to use the DMAS rule. They won't tell, because in our daily life we should be routine by doing this DMAS rule. Okay, so DMAS means D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Okay, so we can solve this. That is first, third division. What is the division here inside? Yeah, 36 divided by 3. What is 36 divided by 3? That is 12. The next, plus 4 into 3 minus 4. Okay, first of all, while doing, as we are starting this problem, we want to do like this method all. By getting practice, we will be very easy by doing. Without this step itself, you will get the answer. Okay, so division over. Next we want to do multiplication. That is, multiplication is here. Okay, so we can solve this. That is 4 into 3 is 12 minus 4. Now multiplication, here division over. Here multiplication over. Then next is addition. What is the addition here? Yeah, this is the addition. So 12 plus 12?
24 minus 4.
Next, subtraction. Addition over. The next is subtraction.
24 minus 4, 20.
So the correct answer is
20.
How we get this? By using the DMAS rule. If you are doing first division, then addition, then multiplication, then subtraction, the answer will be wrong. Sure, the answer we will get, but the answer getting will be wrong. Okay, so in your textbook itself there is a question. In your textbook, exercise 1.3, first question we can do. But they didn't given the expression, numerical expression they didn't given for solving directly. Instead of that, they asked that which is greater. Okay, so in exercise 1.3, first question, which is greater? Among that, we can do the last sub question, fifth sub question. Okay, what is the fifth sub question? Which is greater? We want to check 72 divided by 9 into 8 minus 64, or 9 divided by 3 into 12 minus 6. This numerical expression or this numerical expression is greater. How can we identify whether which is greater? By solving this two. Okay, so shall we solve this? Okay, we can solve this by using which rule? Yeah, that is DMAS rule. That is first we can do. I am drawing a line here. Okay, to separate these two. After that we can determine, we can put the sign greater than or less than. That is how we do here in this expression was first which we want to solve. That is, as DMAS, D is the first, division is the first, we can do the division. 72 divided by 9. What is 72 divided by 9? Yeah, 72 divided by 9 is 8. That we know. Another thing I said that first class onwards I said that you want to study the multiplication table till 9. That is must. Okay, no other student should not be watched this video without studying this multiplication table. So 72 divided by 9 is 8, that we know. And next remaining steps just I am writing by copying this. Okay, so division over. Next we want to do multiplication, DMAS. After D, M is there. M means multiplication. So multiplication is there here. Is it? That is 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. Then remaining the 64 I am writing here. So multiplication over. Next DMAS, inside that D over M over. The next is addition, A. Is there addition here? No. Which is the remaining? Yeah, subtraction. So we can do the subtraction. 64 minus 64, 0 itself, that we know. Okay, so this part over. We can solve the next to this part. Here, in this case, the division, which is the division, we know that as DMAS, first is division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So, first 9 divided by 3. What is 9 divided by 3? 3. That is division over. Remaining steps I am writing here itself. So division over. After division, what we want to do? Yeah, that is multiplication. So here, what is multiplication here? 3 into 12 is there. So 3 into 12 means 36. You can do here. Okay, no problem. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, so 36. Okay, so 36 minus 6. Here multiplication over. Next is addition. Is there addition here? No. So what we can do? Next step. If addition is not there, we want to do the next step. That is subtraction. So subtraction 36 minus 6, that is 30. Which is greater here, 0 or 30? So the 30 is greater here. Next we can do another problem. Similar like this. Greater than, which is greater, that we want to check. Okay. So the next question is minus 9 into 2 divided by minus 2 into 7, or 9 into minus 2 divided by 2 into 7, which is greater. Okay, we have studied D mass. That is D mass we have studied. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So we can do the first, there is a bracket also. That, you know why I didn't say that before, because if I am telling that, all will be going. So bracket should be, you want to concern first. Before the division, if bracket is there inside the numerical expression, you want to do first bracket. First consideration is only for bracket, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So here bracket, that is minus 9. We can just remove that minus, that is enough. No other problem. Okay. So minus 9, you don't want to bother about that brackets. So minus 9. Then what is that? Just next your preference is going for division. So where is the division here? Yeah, that is here. That is 2 is dividing with the minus 2. So 2 divides it. We have studied that just before class. If division is there for integer, if one is positive and next is negative, what will be the sign of the answer? Yeah, the sign of the answer will be negative. Okay. So here multiplied by 2 divided by 2 is 1. The remaining steps we have right there. That is, once again I am telling this. First removing the bracket. I have removed. Okay. Then next is division occurring between one positive integer and one negative integer. What is the positive integer here? 2. What is the negative integer here? Minus 2. Okay, so if opposite signs are dividing, what will be the answer or sign of the answer? Yeah, the sign will be negative and dividing as usual. That is 2 divided by 2, 1 itself. So 1 we get return. So here, after now bracket over, division over. Next is multiplication. So here, whatever multiplications are there here? Yeah, 3 all are multiplication. So just needed for only for multiply. That is minus into minus, plus, plus into plus, plus itself. So you don't want to bother about the sign. Next is 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are. What is 9 sevens are? Yeah, 63. We got the answer. Next we can do that part. That is here already, is there any bracket there? No, bracket is not there. So after the bracket which we want to consider, yeah, that is division. So any divisions are there here? Yeah, here minus 2 and 2 are going through division. So if one integer is negative and next integer is positive, in the case of division, what will be the answer? Yeah, negative. So write this 9 into minus 2 divided by 2, 1 itself, into 7. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, just ask. Okay. So 9 into minus 1. What is 9 into minus 1? Minus 9 into 7. Here 9 sevens are 63. Minus into plus, minus. So here the answer is 63 and here the answer is minus 63. Which is greater? Yeah, which will be greater? This will be 63 is greater than minus 63. Okay. So next question. Similar question, one more question I am doing. Minus 49 divided by 7 or minus 49 divided by minus 7. Easy question it is. Because we know that 49 divided by 7, what? 49 divided by 7? 7 cell. Since one is negative and one is positive, the answer will be negative. And here, 49 divided by 7 is 7. Here both are negative signs. If first class we studied, if both are negative signs, what will be the sign of the answer? Yeah, the sign of the answer will be plus. You don't want to write the plus. Minus 7 or 7, which is greater? Which will be the greater? Positive is always greater. So, this is the greater. Okay, so exercise 1.3, first two questions. These two questions, sub-question. Exercise 1.3. First question, which is greatest? Under that, sub question 1 and 2, you want to do that alone. This is your homework. Next. Now we studied the BD mass. Is it? So, another thing that for you want to consider the bracket first, division first, then multiplication, addition, subtraction. We didn't said about one thing that bar. If suppose 36 divided by 3 plus 2 into 1 minus 5. If suppose one bar is there like here. If one bar is there here, we want to do first preference for bar. Okay, if another, suppose here one bracket is also there, which we want to consider first. First consider bar, then consider bracket, then consider division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Okay, so this we hold for, just remember that bracket and, bar and bracket. First preference is going for bar, then bracket, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction like that. Okay, so you don't forget about this bar. If sometimes you won't see, if you are not bothering about this bar, means the whole answer will goes. Okay, so we can do such questions. That is exercise 1.3. Before that, in your textbook itself, see this use of brackets. This you want to read carefully and just note down the important points you want in your notebook. Okay, so we can do the next question. Exercise 1.3. Using the BD mass rule, find the value of, first question we can do 64 divided by 16 into minus 3 plus 2. Here, BD mass, we said that bracket, bar, bracket, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So here, bar is there? No. Bracket is there? Yeah, one bracket is there. So, remaining all other we want to write. And here, no operations are there inside. So, just minus 3 you want to write. Okay, removing the bracket, that enough. Suppose any addition, subtraction, multiplication or any such kind of operations is there inside the bracket, you want to solve that first, then only you want to write that here. Okay, here no other operations are there here, only minus 3 is there. That is why I written that minus 3 directly to here. Okay, so bracket over. Next what we want to do? Division. 64 divided by 16. What is 64 divided by 16? If you want to do the, just do here. 16 into 4 are 64, remainder is 0. So, 64 divided by 16 is 4. Division over. Remaining step we can write here. Okay, next, what is the addition, after division what we want to do? Yeah, that is multiplication. So, here multiplication is there, that is 4 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 12. 4 3s are 12. One positive and one negative sign, that is minus 12. So, minus 12 plus 2. So, minus 12 plus 2 what will be? That is, I said that opposite signs are adding. That time what we want to do? Yeah, that is bigger number minus smaller number and put the sign of bigger number. Here bigger number is 12 and smaller number is 2. So, if 12 minus 2 that is 10. And what is the sign of the bigger number here? Yeah, that is minus. So, the answer here minus. So, now we solved this. This is the method of doing this problem like BD mass. Okay, so we can do the next problem. Next is minus 3 plus minus 4 divided by 4 plus 1. Here, how much types of brackets are there here? Yeah, two types of brackets are there here. Okay, this is called curly bracket and this is called round bracket, and one more bracket type is there. This is called square brackets. Okay, so these types of brackets are there. These are the different types of brackets. So read through this image, read this image clearly, and you will note down the important points in your notebook. Okay, so we can solve this. First, what we want to do, is there any bracket here? Check whether any bracket is there here. Yeah, we found that. How much bracket? One bigger bracket, inside that another small bracket. So first we want to solve inside. Okay, if a problem is there inside the house, we want to solve that problem inside first, then only we can go out, right? Like that. Here inside the bracket another bracket is there. So we want to solve this inside bracket first. Then only we can go out of that. Okay, so here minus 3 plus that bracket remains there because we want to solve the first bracket inside here. So minus 4, we removed that bracket, divided by 4 plus 1 plus 3. Now we got like this. In this, I am giving, see this image. What is that? If the expressions within bracket is preceded by plus sign, the brackets can be removed without changing the terms inside. That is, if the expression within the bracket is preceded by the sign plus, yeah, this bracket is preceded by what sign? Yeah, this sign is plus. That is, we preceding this bracket with the plus. So if this is plus sign, there is no change. We can only remove this bracket. Okay. No? So that is this. If the expression within the bracket is preceded by plus sign, the bracket can be removed without changing the terms inside. Without changing the terms inside, we can remove that bracket. Okay. So we can write like this: minus 3 plus minus 4 divided by 4 plus 1 plus 3. Which we just removed, that is only. Why? Because the sign is here is plus. If instead of this plus, or if minus is coming, what we will do? That we can discuss in the next problem. First we can do this. Okay, so minus 3, minus 4 divided by 4 plus 1 plus 3. In this case, bracket over. Bar or bracket, nothing is there here now. Next, which is going, the preference is going for which operation? Yeah, that is, we studied that after bar, bracket, next is division. So here minus 4 we can divide with the 4. So what is minus 3 plus 4, minus 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. Minus is dividing with the plus. So the answer will be minus. So the main problem for this chapter is that now also most of you may not study the operations among the integers, that is negative and positive integers. So before watching this, you want to go through that thoroughly, then only you can study this well. Okay, so this minus 4 is divided by 4, that is 1 plus 1 plus 3. Now who and all are the remaining? Only addition is the remaining. Okay, so this minus 3 we can write like that: minus 1 plus 1, 0. Plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3, 0 plus 0. It is equal to 0. Okay, got it. So what we done here? Yeah, we just removed the inside bracket. Then one bracket is the remaining. What is preceding the bracket? This plus, the first preceded this bracket is preceded by this plus sign. So there is no problem. We can just remove the brackets and we can write the terms inside that under. Okay, so if it is proceeding by negative, we want to change each sign of these numerals, numbers. Okay, so we can do the problem like that. Next, this question, bracket is, bar is there here? No. Bracket is there? Yeah, bracket is there. So that is, we can remove that bracket. Next, minus 5, just writing. Here, this bracket is preceded by not plus, it is minus. So what we want to do? We want to change the number inside. We want to change the sign of the number inside the bracket. So we can change that. This minus 48 will be plus 48. Okay, got it. That is, in the previous problem there was plus instead of this minus. Okay, so we didn't change anything, we just removed this and write. But in this case, it is negative, minus. So we want to change the sign of the number inside the bracket. So we change this minus 48 into plus 48 divided by 12 plus. Next, in this bracket here, this is preceded by plus. So is there any change here? No. Why? Because this bracket is preceded by the sign plus. So here minus 2 just we can write into 6. Now all brackets over. What is the next problem? Yeah, division. Is there any division here? Yeah, that is 48 divided by 12 is going through division. So minus 5 plus. What is 48 divided by 12? Yeah, 48. If you want to do that, you can do that here. That is 48 divided by 12. 12 fours are 48. So 4 is the answer. Plus that remaining I am just writing here. Now division over. That is 48 divided by 12. We get that as 4. The division is over. Now bracket over, division over. The next is multiplication. So multiplication, is there any multiplication here? Yeah, here minus 2 and 6 is going through multiplication. So here minus 5 plus 4 plus minus 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. Minus into plus minus. Forget about that. No, because here one is negative and one is positive. The answer will be negative. Yeah. So here now all threes are going through addition. So here minus 5 plus 4 minus 1. That is bigger number minus smaller number and put the sign of bigger number. So minus 5 plus 4 1 and sign of minus 1 is sign of minus 5 is minus. So we put the minus here. Next minus 12. If both are minus, in the case of addition, what we want to do? We just add and put the sign. So minus 13 will be the answer. Any doubt? That is minus 5 here. This minus is preceded by this bracket. So what we can do? We can change the sign of minus 48. So we changed here. Here no change because it is preceded by plus. So the minus 2 itself. Next we go through the division. After the bracket we want to consider about the division. So we go through that divisions, that is the 48 divided by 12 is 4. Next division over, next is multiplication. So we multiplied here as minus 12. Now all are adding. So we are just adding it and we get minus 30. Okay, so hope you all got this. A lot of questions are there here. So you want to think that first watch this video again and again until you get this idea properly. Okay, so watch this clearly and make this note and study well. Go through. Watch this video and try to do this classwork alone in your notebook. Okay, while only feeling any doubt, that time only you want to watch this again and try to do that alone. And this homework questions, you can pause this video and watch this homework questions and write these questions into your notebook and write neatly and properly. Most of you are writing light rough books. I can't check that properly. Okay, so write that clearly and these homeworks are there. So go through that homework and do well. Next class we can meet with this question itself. That is 1.3. Second question, BDMAS rule is there. Some more application level question is there. We can do that in the next class. Till then, bye. Study well. Okay, bye.